Welcome to the Thai lesson for beginners. We will start with some basic sentences and grammar, which will be useful in the everyday conversation. Demonstrative words are very important to specify an object or even a person. In Thai,
นี้
is used to refer to an object as this, while นั่น is used to refer to an object as that. Now, we will be dealing with numbers in Thai. You may be wondering why there is a lot of oscillation between different topics within Thai. But when they all come together, you will realize that it makes your learning approach even easier.
หนึ่ง
Which means one,
หนึ่ง หนึ่ง
2
which means two,
2 2
สาม
which means three,
สาม สาม สี่
which means four,
สี่ สี่ ห้า
which means five,
ห้า ห้า หก
which means six,
หก หก เจ็ด
which means seven,
เจ็ด เจ็ด แปด
which means eight,
แปด แปด
9
which means nine,
9 9
สิบ
which means 10,
สิบ สิบ
Slowly, we will move into sentence construction,
หนังสือ
which means book,
หนังสือ หนังสือ หนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม
which means a book,
หนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม หนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม
which means is a book,
คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม นี้คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม
which means this is a book,
นี้คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม นี้คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่ม เล่ม
is one of the new words which we came across in the sentence construction. It is a measure word for objects, like cutlery, which can be otherwise called kitchen items, and sharp objects, like melee weapons, such as swords and spears. This measure word is used to refer to a collection of objects, which are long and slender. However, it can also be used to refer to a collection of books. It can also be used to refer to wagons and carts, which have primary application in agriculture. Thai language has plenty of count words to express different objects. Just like many Asian languages, it is important to have a thorough knowledge of them so that you could use them freely in everyday expression. Finally, we will practice some conversations based on all the vocabulary and sentences we learnt so far. There are two protagonists involved in the conversation.
นี่คืออะไรค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่มครับ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
นี่คืออะไรค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่มครับ
We are going to replace one word from the previous conversation and see the magic unfold.
นั้นคืออะไรครับ
นั่นคือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่มค่ะ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
นั้นคืออะไรครับ
นั่นคือหนังสือหนึ่งเล่มค่ะ
Even though the protagonists switched places in the conversation, just by replacing the demonstrative word, you can use both conversations in any situation to ask about any object. We can explore more conversations now that we have a good understanding of the Thai vocabulary, which we have learnt, and also how to construct them into sentences. The two protagonists are once again involved in the conversation.
นี่คือหนังสืออะไรค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือภาษาไทยครับ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
นี่คือหนังสืออะไรค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือภาษาไทยครับ
Here, in the given conversation, we have not used the count word. This is to show that it is not always mandatory to use count words to refer to objects unless the situation permits. We shall explore more conversations by adding new interrogative expressions and responses.
หนังสือของใครครับ
นี่คือหนังสือของฉันค่ะ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
หนังสือของใครครับ
นี่คือหนังสือของฉันค่ะ
There will be a small role reversal for the same conversation. This will help us understand the broader aspect of how the gender of a person influences the way they speak Thai sentences.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือของผมครับ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือของผมครับ
We will discuss a few grammar expressions, which we have just learnt in the last two conversations.
ของ
Is an expression which is used to indicate possession. It is not gender specific and can be used in all sentences to indicate a subject's possession of the object.
ใคร
Is an interrogative expression which means who.
ของใคร
Can be used together, which takes the meaning whose. We will leave out our usual protagonists and try to explore other conversations using different pronouns.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือของคุณครับ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ
นี่คือหนังสือของคุณครับ
The last two conversations, we will deal with the third-person pronouns.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ นี่คือหนังสือของเขาค่ะ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
หนังสือของใครค่ะ นี่คือหนังสือของเขาค่ะ
หนังสือของใครครับ นี่คือหนังสือของเธอครับ
We shall have a look at the sentences one more time.
หนังสือของใครครับ นี่คือหนังสือของเธอครับ
Thank you for the patient learning. We have finally started to construct elaborate conversations beyond general introduction and other pleasantries. The best part is, you just have to replace the object and use the same sentences in everyday conversation for any given situation. The upcoming lesson will deal with similar expression for referring to people. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are inquiries regarding the Thai language, please feel free to ask in the comments section.